Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mitali Yadav, physical therapist. Today in this video, we will be discussing about the shoulder extension movement by 3D anatomy. In our previous video, we had discussed about the shoulder flexion movements. If you haven't watched that video, click on the link above. So let's get started. In shoulder extension, there are basically 4 muscles that mainly works. Among the 4 muscles, 2 are the main muscles that are posterior fiber of deltoid and lentissimus dorsi, and 2 are the accessory muscles, that is teres major and non-mid of tricep brachii. So the first muscle is deltoid, and mainly the posterior fiber of deltoid are involving in the shoulder extension. As you can see in this video, the posterior fiber are originating from the lower hip of scapular spine and inserting over the deltoid tuberosity of humerus. You can see in this movement how the fibers are contracting. Yes. Second muscle is latissimus dorsi. It's quite a big muscle, so it has various points of origin and insertion. It's taking origin from T7 and T12 vertebrae, from L1 to L5, and also from the sacrum bone, outer nape of iliac crust, inferior angle of scapula, and also from the posterior layer of thoracolumbar fascia. And it's inserting over the floor of the intertubercular sulcus. You can see this is the floor of the intertubercular sulcus. Another important muscle that helps in extension is the long head of triceps brachii. So it's not the main muscle, it's the accessory muscle, and also the long head of the triceps brachii is the longest head among all the heads of the triceps brachii. So it's originated from an infrafemoral tubercle, as you can see here, and inserting over the olecranon process. It's dragging with the tendon and then inserting over the olecranon process. This is the tendon of triceps. Now we will see how this muscle movement looks like. We can play the video and we'll see how this muscle is contracting by extension. Another important accessory muscle that helps in shoulder extension is teres major. It is also the primary medial rotator of the shoulder, and it is taking origin from the inferior angle of the scapula and from the lower third of the lateral border of the scapula, and inserting over the median lip. We can see, yes, medial lip of the intertubercular sulcus. So now we will see how this muscle movement looks like. Yes, this is a beautiful movement by the teres major muscle during shoulder extension. You can see how it's contracting, and also it is a medial curvature of the shoulder joint. Now we will see how shoulder extension movement looks like. To view it in a better way, we will move it into the sagittal way. Yes. You can see the shoulder extension.
Turn it pulse one.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. And for more such anatomy 3D videos, keep following our channel and subscribe to our channel.